Have you been hearing and reading about platform engineering all over DevOps Twitter, but you don't really get what the buzz is about? Everyone seems so excited about it, yet you can't seem to figure out how this is different to DevOps? You came to the right place to figure it all out. Hey, I'm Kaspar from Humanitec, and in this video we're going to be setting the record straight on the emerging discipline of platform engineering. We'll give you a precise definition, explain how it fits into the larger cloud-native and development ecosystem, and its main difference from DevOps. We'll also discuss the value of platform engineering for both ops and devs and how it connects to internal developer platforms. Finally, we'll talk about the main challenges platform engineering faces and offer some advice and best practices. So, what is platform engineering? It is the art of binding all of the different tech and tools floating around in your delivery setup into clear golden paths that enable developer self-service and reduce cognitive load on the individual contributors. The sum of these golden paths is most often referred to as an internal developer platform, or IDP for short. The IDP is built by a platform engineering team following a platform as a product approach, which means that platform teams need to treat developers as their own internal customers. So why all the buzz? It's actually quite simple. Platform engineering is the answer of top-performing engineering organizations to avoid the pitfalls of today's DevOps reality. While you build it, you run it is a great concept in theory, the day-to-day practice of DevOps is broken. Developers are overwhelmed by the increasing complexity of cloud-native toolchains and need to wait on ops to do anything that goes beyond the simple update of an image. In response to this, the Airbnbs and Spotifys of this world, who had to add hundreds of developers every month, quickly figured out that the only way to actually enable developer self-service and true you build it, you run it, was by building platform layers in between developers and operations. Those layers are what we refer to as internal developer platforms, or IDPs, and it's the end product of platform engineering. So for operation teams, they're no longer drowning in ticket ops, and they finally have more time to work on strategic initiatives rather than reacting to issues and requests from developers. Also, the delivery setup is compliant and secure, with highly standardized services and infrastructure that are easy to maintain. Change failure rate drops and all your DORA metrics improve. For developers, they can now ship faster by self-serving their workload dependencies without talking to ops. They can easily spin up PR environments, new services and resources without ever having to touch Terraform or Helm. They no longer need to write and maintain app and infrastructure configurations on their own, which also keeps senior developers away from doing shadow operations. Sounds great, right? And it is. But platform engineering is still in its infancy, and with the young age come challenges that still need to be addressed. The main one we see is all about communication. Many platform teams fail because they either don't build the right feedback loop with their developers to allow them to quickly iterate on the features of their platform, or they fail communicating the return on investment to their executive teams. This is a high-level introduction, and you probably want to move beyond the buzzwords. To do this, and to help you start building your own platform, we've analyzed hundreds of platforms and identified repeating architectural patterns. We've summarized those in white papers and sample repositories that you can copy and reuse. They can act as a starting point into the world of platform engineering. I also encourage you to check out how Humanitec's products can help you nail the orchestration of your platform. Platforming with us is a battle-tested approach to achieving a high return on investment, fast development time, and low total cost of ownership. And with that, thank you for watching this video on platform engineering.